What's up, cleaning crew? I'm cleaning my oven racks in the sink here, so I figured if the oven cleaner that I'm using is good at cleaning the stainless steel oven racks, it's also going to be great at cleaning the rest of the stainless steel sink. Now, I do have a tutorial cleaning my stainless steel sink with washing soda, but oven cleaner's main ingredient is caustic soda or sodium hydroxide, so let's talk about the sodas. Baking soda, washing soda and caustic soda, and the crazy difference in their pH strength. The pH scale isn't actually linear, it's logarithmic, meaning that every point move on it, and the scale is from 0 to 14, 7 being neutral, every point up or down is 10 times stronger than the last. Baking soda has a pH of around 8, making it gentle for light cleaning and scrubbing. Then comes washing soda at pH 11. And here's the jaw dropper. Washing soda is 1,000 times stronger than baking soda. That's why it's so effective at cutting through grease and tougher stains in the kitchen, around the home, and even in laundry boosting. Washing soda, or sodium carbonate, is found in everything from dishwasher tablets to laundry detergents. I actually make my own cleaning products with washing soda, and I love the stuff, but in order to do that, understanding the pH scale and how different materials can be damaged by acids and alkalines is really important. But what about caustic soda? That's in a league of its own, and with a pH of 13.5, it's not just a little stronger, it's 300,000 times stronger than baking soda. That's drain cleaning, oven cleaning, grease dissolving power at its peak, but this stuff is very caustic, so wear gloves and eye protection when using it and keep it safely away from children and pets. So why are they all called sodas? It's all about their sodium base, hence soda. Sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate and bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is your go-to for light cleaning, washing soda handles the general day-to-day stuff, and caustic soda, handle it with gloves, goggles and respect. This is cleaning chemistry's heavyweight champ. You're going to use it to clean heavily carbonized, that's burnt to you and me, ovens, pots, pans, grill racks, and for unblocking sinks and drains. It's also done a fine job of cleaning the sink here, although that's a little bit like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut, when washing soda, baking soda, or even washing up liquid will do the trick. As a general rule of thumb, cleaning agents that you'll find in your house are usually acid, alkaline, or pH neutral. Additives like peroxide, solvents, and enzymes help boost cleaning power or perform different functions. But the basic thing to understand, and yes, the pun is very much intended, is that in order to clean anything properly, you need to understand what pH it needs to be cleaned with, what pH it will be damaged by, and if it needs anything else to boost it. Comment section of this next video is inundated with people asking why this isn't taught in school, and I don't know why, because everybody cleans, but most people haven't been taught the basic principles of cleaning.